Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a comma separated CSV table from the JSON object. So for that purpose we have to give this JSON object. Okay, this is a JSON object. I will keep this inside this array. Okay, so after that the output we will get the output as the comma separated CSV table. So how to achieve this? First of all, a graphical user interface like the you have to initialize the JSON in this initialize variable. Later you have to create the CSV table here action. After that we will store that output into the blob storage. Okay, we will get into the apps designer. Okay, so I will put as a 1 minute interval. So after that I'm going to initialize the variable JSON variables. Okay, JSON object initialize. Okay, let me type variable. Yeah, so after that you have to initialize the variable. So give it name as a JSON object. Okay, so now I want to work with the type array. Okay, so let me copy this. Just I'm giving this small example. Okay, now I want to work with the array, so I'm going to keep inside this array. Okay, so after that I want to turn this into CSV table, CSV action table. Okay, CSV table, because I want the JSON data into comma separated values. So after you create the CSV table, you have to grab this initialize variable object, JSON object here. So I want the data, I want to generate the data in automatic. Okay, for that, so I keep it as a columns automatic. So after that I want to store this data in the Azure blob storage. Create up Azure blob storage. So you have to enter the storage account name. This is my storage account name, Priya. So save it as, and the folder name. So I want to store this data into input folder. So the blob name you have to define. So because the output will be stored with the name of JSON output. Okay, sorry, CSV. Okay, so after that, okay, the output will be stored with the name CSV output in this inside the input folder. Okay, so after that, this is important. The blob content is nothing but the output from the create CSV table. You can see the output. Okay, so after that save this designer project apps. Okay, after that you have to just save the data. Run the trigger. Okay, after you run the trigger, we will check. Okay, everything will get successful. You can see the data we generated, the JSON data generated with the comma separated values. So we will see whether it's stored into the input folder or not. We will check. Okay, you can see CSV output. Yeah, we got it. Download. You can see this is a way we can perform the JSON object into operations like JSON object into CSV table, comma separated tables. Okay, so in the coming sessions, okay, I will show you how to customize the data. Okay, currently we have used the automatically generated the data from the CSV table. You can see here, where is that? Yeah, columns are automatic. We put it as a automatic. In the coming class I will show you the how to customize the each and every JSON variable. Okay, thank you so much.